Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the main control board on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the dryer is not functioning properly. For example, clothes not drying, buttons not working, or timers not working on your dryer. For this repair, all you'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So to get to the control board on this dryer, we're going to have to turn it around and take the top off. So now we've got 2 screws holding the top on. We're going to take those off right now. And once you've got those screws out, you can just pull the top back. It slides right off. And put that off to the side. So this is going to be our control board here, and to make it a little bit easier for ourselves, we're going to take this panel off and we're going to set it on top. Now that the screws are out, we can just pull this. It's underneath a slot here, so we're going to pull the tab out of the slot and move it forward a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to unplug everything, starting over here. And this is going to be pretty easy. Everything only plugs into one slot. And keep in mind, you're also going to want to pinch the tabs of anything that's got these little clips on them. And we got 2 more with a clip down here. There we go. The next thing I'm going to do is remove this screw right here that's holding the control board in place. So we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver again. And now with that screw out, we can slide the tabs over and remove the control board. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement control board. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Before grabbing the control board, you're probably going to want to make sure you touch something metal just to discharge any static electricity, because if you touch the control board and you zap it with static electricity, your control board's now destroyed. So after doing that, we're going to put the control board back into these slots here, line it up and slide it over. Make sure your screw hole lines up, and then you're going to screw that screw back in. You don't want to over tighten it because you're just screwing it onto plastic, and you don't want to crack that plastic. So once it's nice and tight, you can leave it like that. So now that that's there, you can plug everything back in. There we go. And again, this is pretty easy. Everything has just one spot that it plugs into. There we go. So now that everything's plugged in, we can put this plate back where it goes. So we're going to slide it back into its slot here. Make sure you line up those screw holes. Once those screws are nice and tight, we can go put the top back on. Right, so put that up on top, just slide it back into place. Make sure everything lines up on this end. And now we can screw back together. Right. Now the only thing we have to do is turn it back around and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.